Welcome back to Immigration Insight. The visa for temporary skilled shortage in Australia can help employers ease the labor shortfall by bringing in competent migrants. Thanks to the short-term stream, you must fulfill specific conditions to be eligible for this visa. To be eligible for this visa, you must sponsorship and nomination, have the backing of an authorized sponsor, and be nominated for a job included on the short-term skilled occupation list. Job history, education, and skills meet the necessary requirements in terms of job history, education, and skills. During the validity of the visa, you can study, travel to and from Australia as often as you like. If qualified, apply for permanent residency.
Duration of stay. On the short-term stream, you can remain in Australia for as long as your company nominates you. The maximum duration will depend on the specifics of your situation, but generally, you can stay for up to 2 years or up to 4 years. If your visa is about to expire and you wish to continue working, your employer must submit a fresh nomination.
Pathway to permanent residency. Under the Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186, your employer could be eligible to sponsor you for permanent residence. You can use the Department of Home Affairs visa search to see whether you qualify for any other skilled work visas.
Eligibility requirements for the 482 short-term stream. To qualify for the short-term stream of the temporary skill shortage visa, you must be at least 18 years old and, if applying in Australia, possess the proper visa. Have your employer recommend you, be nominated by an authorized sponsor, and possess the necessary training, experience, and credentials to carry out your occupation. Have at least 2 years of experience in your chosen sector of employment or a closely comparable one, and if required, possess a positive skills evaluation. Be a legitimate temporary entrant, have health insurance, and satisfy the character and health standards.
PR pathway and other criteria for 482 short-term visas. As a temporary skills shortage visa, Subclass 482, short-term stream holder, you will be qualified to apply for permanent residency after 2 years, provided you keep your job with the sponsoring employer. To be eligible for this visa, candidates must have at least 2 years of work experience in the nominated occupation or a closely comparable field, and be nominated for a skilled position by an authorized sponsor. Unless there are specific exceptions, applicants must work only for their sponsor, pass any required relevant skills assessments, and meet English language proficiency criteria.
Frequently asked questions. What documents do I need?
You will require several crucial documents to apply for this visa category. It is recommended that you organize documents pertaining to your work experience, identity, character, skills, health evaluation, and English proficiency.
Do I need a skills assessment?
You would need to undergo a skills evaluation as part of the TSS visa application procedure if your specified occupation demands it. For information on this category and the kind of assessment needed, please refer to Mandatory Skills Assessment Subclass 482 visa. Should you be qualified, you will have to go through a skills evaluation administered by Residency or Trades Recognition Australia.
Is health insurance mandatory for a TSS visa?
You must have sufficient health insurance to apply for a TSS visa. If you are an applicant for a primary or secondary visa, you will be responsible for paying for your medical insurance while in Australia. Medically essential care, including transportation, should be covered by your health insurance. Several countries have mutual healthcare agreements with Australia.
We hope you liked the video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching Immigration Insight.